Hi, my name is Anna and I'm 30 years old. I work in an office and every day I meet different people. One day a visitor came to my desk. He smiled and casually asked, "Are you married?" It caught me off guard because I knew him and also knew his wife. He wasn't asking for himself, just curious. I replied, "No, I'm single." He was about to say something else, but I stopped him and added, "I like being single, it works for me. Most of my co-workers are either women or married men, but there's one man in the office who is single. He's 38 and he's been working with us for a year now. He owns a house, though he's still paying off the mortgage. He's funny, strong, and very good looking. We talk sometimes at work and I enjoy our conversations. He listens to me and I like that. But then he told me something surprising. He said, "I have trouble staying loyal in relationships." I was shocked and asked, "What do you mean?" He explained, "When I'm with someone, I always end up talking to other women. I just can't stop." I didn't know what to say. I wanted to help him, but I wasn't sure how. I asked, "Why do you do that? Don't you care about the person you're with?" He said, "I do care, but I get bored. I always feel like I need something new." I told him, "That's not right. If you're in a relationship, you should focus on that person. It's not fair to them." He looked at me and said, "I know, but it's hard for me to change." At first I thought he might try to change, but over time he didn't. One day I asked him about his ex-girlfriend. He told me she was 47, had 4 kids, and they lived together for 10 years. They even bought a house together, but they never had children of their own. After 10 years, she left him. She sold her part of the house and moved on. I asked him, "Why did she leave you?" But he didn't give me a clear answer. Then I asked, "Did she leave because you cheated on her?" His eyes went wide, and he stayed silent. That's when I realized the truth. He had stayed with her because it was easy. She wanted a family and made all the plans, but he wasn't loyal to her. When she found out, she left. I told him, "You hurt people, you only think about yourself." After that conversation, he didn't talk to me much anymore. He started asking other people for help at work, and over time I noticed he began to avoid me. He even seemed to dislike me. It made me sad because I wanted to help him, but he didn't want it. Then one day, I found out he had a new girlfriend. I asked, "Do you like her? Is she nice?" He said, "Yes, I like her, she's nice." But I didn't trust him. I asked, "Are you going to treat her the same way you treated your ex?" He didn't argue with me, but I could see in his eyes that he thought I was foolish. I didn't care, though. In that moment, I realized that it's better to stay single than to be with someone like him. Now I feel free. I trust myself and my choices. Maybe I'll stay single forever, and that's okay. I'd rather be alone than be unhappy in a relationship. Thanks for listening to my story. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share.